going to show you how to use the channel mixer in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just go into image, and then we click on adjustments, and then we click on channel mixer, and here we have some channels, the red, the green and the blue, and here we can play around with these a little bit. The total has to be 100%, as you can see, like this. And then we can click on OK, and then the image is going to be like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.